Hey everyone, the Xiaomi Mijia Air Purifier 6 Pro represents a clear step forward in Xiaomi's approach to whole room air purification, especially for larger homes and newly renovated spaces where air quality concerns go beyond ordinary dust and allergens. With this model, Xiaomi has focused heavily on structural refinement and functional specialization rather than incremental updates, resulting in a purifier that feels purpose-built for demanding environments. The most defining characteristic of the Air Purifier 6 Pro is its dual-module, dual-filter architecture. Instead of relying on a single all-purpose filter, Xiaomi has separated purification tasks into two distinct zones. The upper module handles everyday air cleaning, targeting fine particulate matter, allergens, bacteria, and viruses that accumulate through daily living. The lower module is dedicated to formaldehyde removal, a pollutant commonly associated with new furniture, paint, adhesives, and renovation materials. Internally, Xiaomi employs an advanced 13-layer filtration system that combines mechanical filtration, chemical adsorption, and active decomposition. Large particles such as dust, pet hair, and lint are captured early by a pre-filter, reducing strain on the finer layers. Antibacterial and antiviral coatings add a protective layer against biological contaminants, while a nano-grade particulate filter traps ultrafine particles at the PM1 and PM2.5 level. Airflow performance is another area where the Mijia Air Purifier 6 Pro stands out. Xiaomi uses a single motor to drive two fan blades, optimizing space while maintaining strong and stable airflow. The internal sloped volute duct design reduces turbulence, improves air pressure efficiency, and helps keep noise levels under control even at higher output levels. With a particulate CDR reaching up to 1,461 cubic meters per hour and a formaldehyde KODR of up to 1,000 cubic meters per hour. According to Xiaomi's laboratory testing, it can complete a full air exchange in a standard room in roughly 1.5 minutes, and it supports coverage areas ranging from 87 to 150 square meters, placing it well above typical household purifiers. Real-time environmental awareness is handled by a comprehensive sensor array. The Air Purifier 6 Pro includes 6 sensors that continuously monitor PM1, PM2.5, dust levels, formaldehyde concentration, temperature, and humidity. These readings are presented on a front-facing LCD screen, allowing users to quickly assess indoor air conditions at a glance. The display light can also be turned off to avoid visual disturbance during sleep. Smart functionality is tightly integrated into Xiaomi's ecosystem. The purifier supports Xiaomi HyperOS and connects seamlessly to the My Home app, enabling users to monitor air quality remotely, adjust settings, create schedules, and receive maintenance reminders. Voice control via the Xiaomi Assistant adds further convenience, allowing hands-free operation and easy integration into smart home routines. From a design perspective, Xiaomi has kept things clean and practical. The purifier features a minimalist white vertical body that blends easily into modern interiors. Overall, the Xiaomi Mijia Air Purifier 6 Pro delivers a well-rounded and technically sophisticated solution for users who need more than basic air cleaning. Its dual-module filtration system, exceptionally high airflow performance, comprehensive sensor suite, and deep smart home integration make it particularly suitable for large living spaces and homes dealing with renovation-related pollutants. It reflects Xiaomi's growing confidence in the premium home appliance segment and stands as one of the most capable air purifiers the company has released to date. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.